Today we're going to make a pinch pot. Pinch pots have been around for ages, and you probably made one when you were really little. But there's still a valid way to make things with clay. First, you're going to start with a sphere of clay and roll it in your hand. Then you may want to roll it on the table. Try to get it as smooth and round as possible. If you have a lot of seams, they may cause you problems later. But use your time wisely. The more time you spend on this ball, the drier your clay will be. Next, take your thumb and poke it through about 2/3 of the way through your sphere. Then turn your hand into like a lobster claw and squeeze between your thumb and fingers, just a little bit at a time. Then slowly move your hand around, pinching systematically as you go around. Make sure each part of the wall gets pinched. Really pay attention on pinching the very bottom. Once you've made it all the way around and can fit both thumbs, try again with both thumbs. Really pay attention to squeezing that clay out of the bottom. Save this top for the very end. If you keep your clay on the table, your pinch pot will have a flat bottom. You probably don't want that, so keep your clay off the table. Continue pinching all the way around just a little bit at a time. And then when you get to the top, you can finally start pinching the top, but you don't want the top to be really skinny because it's hard to build off of a skinny lip. Now, work on the edge, make sure it's all the same thickness. And then when you're done, remember to store your pinch pot upside down like this so you don't end up with a flat bottom. This is really important if you're going to combine your pinch pots to make a super pinch pot. You can tap here to level this surface. If you want to work on this edge, you can smooth it with your finger or with a sponge. But don't worry about the top edge until you're completely done pinching. Make sure you feel all the way through to make sure your walls are all the same thickness.